Trade's here, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of these nasty, disgusting salt stains on your car's carpet with the Bissell Little Green carpet cleaner. So these salt stains get here from walking through the snow and slush that has salt on it to help melt it in the winter time. And when you get in your car, no matter how good your mats are, you're always going to get some on the carpets here. And when the water from the salt evaporates, it leaves this crusty, nasty white junk here, and it's really annoying because it's really hard to get off. And if you use a normal shop vac, this is as much as I could get off with a normal shop vac, and you really need a wet carpet vacuum, which is specific for carpets and textiles. And they work super well because they use a water solution to soak in, and then the vacuum part uses an agitator and vacuums up the water after it absorbs all the materials. It works on almost any fabric, so couches, car seats, rugs, carpets, those sorts of things. It is really, really awesome for it. Also things that you can't just throw into the washing machine. And I'm going to show you a time lapse of me cleaning it with this and a before and after, and it's amazing how well this thing works. It's about $100. Basically what this thing is it's a vacuum cleaner that also squirts cleaning solution that's basically like water. I've used a whole lot of different products before and I've never had success with them. A lot of different spray foams that you put on, scrub in, and then you use water to get out. It puts the water in the material, and then the vacuum sucks the water and it pulls the dirt up out. So instead of just scrubbing it around with the foams and seat cleaners, it actually pulls the dirt up and out, and that's why it's really good at what it does. If you're looking to purchase one of these, it costs about $100, and I'll put a link for the Bissell Little Green and for the cleaning solution as well down in the description. So when you push this button, it squirts the fabric cleaner out, and then you scrub it down and it soaks up all the dirty water. And as you can see from looking in the dirty tank, it basically looks like chocolate milk that comes out because it's so dirty. And it's amazing how well and how much junk it gets out of your fabrics. It's hard to believe until you use it for yourself and you're like, oh wow, I should have bought this years ago. So it is a really awesome product. The Little Green is really awesome because it's super easy to use. Once you set it up, you literally just pour in the water up to the fill line, 2 caps of solution if you want to use it, and then when it's time to clean up, you just dump out the old dirty water, and you just flip this tab up here like this, dump it out, rinse it out a few times, and you're good to go. You do need to empty out the dirty tank every time you use it though, just so it doesn't harden up or crust up on the inside of the tank. Just easier to keep the tank cleaner that way.